Let us understand the step-by-step process of revising project activity in StrategicERP. In Revise Project WBS form, under Project Management module, select the project name, sub-project name and activity code for which quantities and rates need to be received. If a revision has been made previously, the revision number and current total quantity will auto-populate. Enter the revised total quantity for the activity. The current unit will be auto-fetched. Click on the plus sign to add additional resources. The current factor will be auto-fetched from the WBS activities. If the current factor is not available, you can manually enter the revised estimated quantity, revised estimated rate and revised GST rate directly. The revised estimated amount will be auto-calculated based on the details you have entered. The revised activity estimated rate will auto-populate based on the newly added resources. You can also add other details such as the revised overhead percentage and revised profit percent. Based on these inputs, the revised activity billing rate will be updated automatically. Other details such as the revised total billing amount, budget applicability, budget head and available budget will be auto-fetched from WBS activity. Enter any remarks if required. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once approved, details will be updated automatically in the WBS activity. The process of revising project activity in StrategicERP is now complete.